Can I get 10-piece chicken nuggets?
Sorry, 100 chicken nuggets total?
Yes.
Okay, and anything else?
That's it.
Alright.
Como son muchos nuggets, deben de partirse aquí enfrente.
Oh, okay.
여기.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's Aisha.
And Maria.
We're the
M&A Monzon. So today we're gonna be doing the
100 chicken nuggets challenge.
Woo!
But before we do this, don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Don't chew with your mouth open.
Let's just finish up.
Like, about to finish my 10.
Really?
Yeah.
You want shoes? ¿Quieres jugo?
Yeah. We should do something funny in this video. Sure? Good. On to my 10, 20, my $30. Deadass. Like, this is my $20, so this is my 21. Dude!
I'm really on my 11.
Are you deadass?
Yeah.
I'm a bummer. So if I don't go to school, teachers, just know why I didn't go to school.
Why would teachers watch this video? Why the lip fam? 1, 2, 3. You want to be the lip fam? You want to be known as the lip fam?
Should we do a lip band? Nah, it's okay.
No, that's stupid. How about comment down below some fan names? I don't know. Comment whatever you want. Hate, love, we
support.
Yes. Okay, let's start reading again.
M&A.
Sounds like lemonade. M&A lemonade.
Keep eating, bro. You guys.
Oh, yeah.
You're not even.
I
I
am
know you are, bro.
I need more ranch. I finished my ranch.
Maria, like y'all need to start eating.
Bro, we'll just see I'm full.
In the meantime,
Enjoy a stupid clip. Go
Woo! Ah! Hey.
wait, that's not
Hey.
true.
I'm a ballerina.
A few moments later.
Not this fast.
I'm done! Woohoo!
Is that 40? 40?
40?
Finish the motion.
Huh?
Finish the motion.
I can do a 2.
So fast! I won! Hey guys, you like my new bufanda? It's from Maria's Fashion.
Oh, no. You can finish it. You can win for half of us.
Okay, guys, like I eat a lot.
Oh, one.
Ew!
Oh,
You're gonna make me stop. I bet she's faking it.
Yeah, she is.
Ew!
Yeah, am I faking it?
No, I don't want
Okay, anymore. Anywho, guys, we look really.
I'll put this one something.
Eternity later.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I hope you
We're
all
all
enjoy.
suffering.
Literally, if you guys try eating this, you are gonna be dead by like the next day or like the next
I
hour.
barely.
I literally
20
ate
something?
like 40 box. Did I really eat 40 box?
40 boxes? Don't you mean 40 chicken nuggets?
40 boxes, yeah, 40 chicken
not eat
nuggets.
boxes.
Like, I don't know. First, I was like, okay, this fast. Like, you know, I saw everyone doing it, you know, so I was like, okay, whatever. But now that I see it, I'm like, as you guys can see right now, it's about, like, I literally threw up right now. Like, and they're, like, over there.
Over there.
But I hope you guys like, share, and
I hope you guys
subscribe.
like, share,
And we'll be
and subscribe.
back with more videos.
Hopefully we don't lag no more. So sorry for that, but we
Because
love
we
you
started
guys.
school too, so yeah. But
You
anyway.
guys should totally understand.
So yeah.
Bye.
Bye.